Hey friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel, and it is Monday, so I have another Dollar Tree haul. I like posting my Dollar Tree hauls on Mondays so that you can kind of see some of the things I'm going to be using throughout the week. Sometimes that's how it works. Sometimes it takes a couple weeks. You know how it is. But anyway, I have lots of goodies to show you this week. So the first thing is this bag. Now, I don't normally, I've said this before, but I don't normally buy the Dollar Tree bags because I don't feel like they're normally a really good deal. I kind of feel like sometimes, I mean, they're a good bargain because they're only $1, but they just have a tendency to rip and not hold up real well. That being said, this one was so pretty, guys. And it says, make your own path. And I don't know, I love it. I love it. I think it's so pretty. So anyway, I have it stuffed full of stuff. So let's just grab out of here and see what we get, right? So I bought 2 of these scarves to kind of matches my shirt, right? Because I love this buffalo plaid is so in style and popular right now for crafting and home decor and obviously even clothes, right? And so I bought 2 of these. I figured I could use them for some upcoming craft projects. So I thought these will probably sell out pretty fast, guys. So anyway, I bought 2 of those for crafting with. I bought one of these. This was in the cooking section. It is just a scoop or whatever, and I bought it for our dog food because we've been using like a old margarine tub or whatever, and we don't ever buy margarine, so I don't know where this margarine tub came from who knows how long ago. It finally broke, so we needed something. Anyway, so then let's see what else I bought. Oh, I bought some these coconut and sea salt facial wipes. I have used these. They work really good to take off makeup and things. And now you're not, it says paraben free and color free. Now you're not supposed to use anything like with any kind of scent in it on your face, but I do. And they're also really good. I find that these, even if you don't use them on your face, they're really good to clean out your makeup brushes. So I really like those. So I used them before and didn't have any skin problems with them, so I bought them again. This is also in it's in just a random order, guys. It's not like there's no order to this. I'm just grabbing things out of the bag, so sorry about that. So I picked up some of this pink Himalayan salt. Now I've heard some really good things about this, and normally this stuff is really expensive in the bigger box stores and things like that. So I picked up some of that. Really, that's a really great deal. So picked up some of that. Going to try that out. I picked up a couple Christmas things. I picked up these mini bows. I thought those would be great for craft projects or possibly hair clips or things like that. And I picked up, these are really popular, but these are the ornaments. They are the felt snowman. I have seen people DIYing these already like crazy. And there's 12 of them for $1. That's a really good deal. A really good deal. Next I picked up, you've seen me haul these a couple times and you've seen them in craft projects. I use these to protect my table when I'm crafting. It's really great because you can paint and not have to worry about getting it on there. And if they get too gross, you can throw them away, or I just use them forever. But I have 2 now, but I kind of feel like I need a bigger work area. So I bought 2 more, and I like them because they're see-through. Because when I'm doing craft projects with you guys have seen me do top-down views and everything. And that is just like a poster board on my wooden table. And the reason I use that poster board is just because it's white. And my table is a dark wood, and so sometimes it's hard to see the craft projects. So I put that poster board down, not as any kind of fancy backdrop or anything, just to brighten it up so you guys can see better. And anyway, I like these chopping mats because they are see-through. It doesn't look like you can kind of see through it, but these are 2 of them together. But just so it lets that light come through, and anyway, you guys can still see everything really good, and yet it protects that piece of paper just so I don't have to change it out all the time. And it's also nice because I can put my hot glue gun and stuff on it, and I don't have to worry about it damaging either my table or catching the paper on fire or something like that. Craziness, right? So anyway, those are a really great deal if you're a crafter. These splatter screens, y'all have seen them everywhere. If you do any kind of crafting, you have seen these everywhere, right? And they have been out of them. And so anyway, I picked up 3. I did a fall DIY. I'll leave like a card somewhere of that. But I wanted some for some Christmas projects. So I picked up that. I also picked up this for a craft project. It is a dollhouse miniature furniture. It has a little doll. She's so cute. And a little table and 2 chairs. So I'll have a DIY with that coming up soon. And the makeup, you guys have seen me haul this eyeliner. I use this all the time. This is my go-to eyeliner, but I normally buy it in black, and they had it in navy. And I don't know, I'm not sure if our Dollar Tree has ever had it in navy before, but as you can tell, I have blue eyes, so I thought that the navy, it may be too much, I don't know. But I thought that would be a really good thing to try, and I already know that I love, like, again, for a cheap eyeliner, guys, this is like my favorite. Even I've used expensive ones, and this is still my favorite. It just, I'm not really good at liquid eyeliner. It kind of goes everywhere, and I hate having to sharpen the pencil, so this, guys, super good deal, and I love that. I bought some ribbon. This is some, it's like a burlap ribbon with a red chevron. I thought that would be good for some Christmas crafts coming up. I know we're still in the middle of Halloween and fall things and everything, and you guys know I'm trying to do a video almost every day. I've only missed like a day or maybe 2. I'm not sure, maybe just 1 day, but I'm trying to do a video every single day in October, showing you all kinds of fall and Halloween crafts, getting ready for that. So yeah, so anyway, but that is kind of dwindling down, and so I'm going to be doing some Christmas crafts and DIYs real soon, so keep an eye on that. This was new to our Dollar Tree. This was, it looks like a mermaid tail. How cute is that? And it is, it says watermelon hand cream. It's got a protective thing, so I wasn't able to really smell it in the store. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells really nice. So we'll see how it does. But anyway, I thought this would be just great, something to keep in my purse, and so that's why I bought that. Yeah, it smells nice. I don't know if it really smells like watermelon, but it smells nice and it feels nice, so it's not too greasy, so I like that. Okay, so moving on. I bought some salt shakers. I actually just picked up this in mind with having the pink Himalayan salt. I didn't really have a shaker for it, and so this had like the bigger holes. I thought that might be good for the pink Himalayan salt. So a lot of times I'll probably use it in cooking. I'll just keep it in the bag. But I thought, you know, I might want if I'm just doing a little a small thing like that. I had originally picked up this one that I was going to use, and I may end up still using it. It just depends on which one I decide. And I figured, heck, you know, I was like, well, do I get one or the other? But I'm like, hey, if I don't use it, I can use it for a craft project. These things are super cute. So picked up that. Just a few more things. I picked up I had never seen this, oops, I dropped that, at my Dollar Tree before. This was new to us, but it is a flea and tick shampoo, and this is a flea and tick spray. Now, our dogs don't have fleas. They have, they take a pill, like for fleas or whatever, and so, but it had a lot of like clove oil and just different things, and I thought it actually might be good for their skin. I don't know, normally I don't trust like Dollar Tree products, but I don't know, this one just looked like it had some good ingredients. I'm not sure. We're gonna give it, and we needed some just normal like dog shampoo, like anyway. So anyway, our dogs have been a little itchy lately, even though I've checked them and they don't have fleas. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I picked up that just to try. We'll see how they like it and how they respond to it. I'll let you know. And the last thing I bought, I had bought something similar to this, but I wasn't sure. I haven't taken it out of the package to see if it would work. We are doing a 50s sock hop. In our town, and you can kind of see the glare. this next weekend. And so anyway, I am going to get a poodle skirt and do the 50s thing or whatever. I'm on the committee that puts on the food truck frenzy. And so anyway, this one is themed, it's a sock hop. But anyway, so I bought these glasses to go along with my costume. They are +00. They're just for to block, I think, blue light reading glasses. Basically, I think it's for to look at screens and things. So it doesn't have any percentage on it or any, what is that, magnification or whatever. But it does block blue light. But I thought that would be good for my costume. So that is all that I got this time around. Anyway, I can't wait to show you some of the DIYs and things that I have planned for this. So leave me a comment. Oh, what are some new things that you guys are finding at your Dollar Tree? What are some Christmas things or the end, wrapping up? We're not at the end of fall by no means. We're just like kind of getting into it, but like the crafting of it is kind of winding down. You know how that goes, right? But anyway, so what are some of your favorite fall and Halloween kind of decorations for the last couple weeks? And what are some holiday, Christmas kind of crafts that you are looking forward to? Leave me a comment below. And anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for spending time with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification. And we are getting close to 5,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It's absolutely wonderful, and I'm going to do a big giveaway when we hit that. So make sure you hit like and subscribe and the notifications so you know when I do that. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for spending time with us, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.